Discover how to start investing from scratch in a complete guide for beginners in the world of finance. Welcome to our channel, where today we're going to talk about a super important topic: investments. For those who are starting from scratch and want to learn more about the world of finance, this video is for you. Let's explore together essential tips and practical steps to start your investing journey. Part 1 of this introductory guide on investments seeks to highlight the importance of acquiring knowledge from an early age in this financial universe. Understanding the basic principles of investing can be crucial to building a solid foundation and ensuring a financially healthy future. In this segment, we will explore how financial education can make all the difference when making assertive decisions regarding money. Let's learn together the importance of saving, investing, and planning your financial future, considering your personal goals and objectives. Investing is a journey that can begin at any stage of life, but the sooner you understand the key concepts, the more prepared you will be to face the challenges and take advantage of the opportunities that the world of investments offers. Part 2. Investing in yourself. How to take the first steps towards becoming a successful investor. Investing in yourself is the first fundamental step for anyone who wants to enter the world of investments. Before putting your money into any financial investment, it is essential to know yourself. Understand your goals, risk tolerance, and investment deadlines. In this part of the guide, we will explore the importance of financial self-knowledge and how it can be the basis for your future decisions. In addition, we will address the importance of developing financial management skills, cost control, and personal budget planning. Learning to deal with money consciously and responsibly is the crucial step to starting to build wealth and achieve financial independence. Let's discover together how investing in yourself can be transformative and boost your first steps towards success as an investor. Part 3. Discover the world of investments. A complete guide for beginners. In this step, we will dive headfirst into the vast world of investments and discover the different options available for those just starting out on this financial journey. Let's explore the main types of investments, from the most conservative to the most daring, and understand which one best fits your profile and objectives. Furthermore, we will address the importance of diversifying the investment portfolio to mitigate risks and enhance returns. At the end of this part, you will have a broader and clearer view of the universe of investments, being more prepared to take the first steps on this exciting journey towards financial independence. Part 4.10. Steps to start investing and making money. In this section, we will unveil the 10 crucial steps that every beginner needs to follow to enter the world of investments and start making your money work for you. Firstly, it is essential to define your short, medium, and long-term financial objectives to know where you want to go with your investment. Next, it is important to carry out a detailed analysis of your current financial situation, including income, expenses, and possible debts. With this information in hand, the third step is to establish a solid financial plan, aligned with your goals and investor profile. Once you have defined your financial plan, it is time to study the different investment options available on the market and choose those that best suit your profile and objectives. After selecting the most suitable investment options, it's time to take the first step and invest your money as planned. Next, it is essential to stay informed about the financial market and be aware of possible opportunities to improve your investment portfolio. Additionally, it is recommended to periodically adjust your asset allocation as your goals or economic scenario change. Finally, always remember the importance of continuous learning. Dedicating yourself to studying personal finances and investments can be a differentiator in building solid and lasting assets. By following these 10 steps with discipline and dedication, you will be closer to achieving your financial goals and following the path towards success as an investor. Part 5. Investments for laymen. Uncomplicating the financial universe. In this part of our video, we will simplify the often complex terms and concepts that surround the world of investments, making them accessible to everyone, even those with no prior experience in the area. Understanding keywords such as yield, volatility, shares, fixed income, risk, and return is essential to start investing in a conscious and informed way. We will explore each of these concepts in a clear and objective way, so that you feel more confident when taking your first steps in the financial market. Additionally, we will cover the importance of ongoing education and seeking reliable information when investing your money. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you understand about investments, the more prepared you will be to build a solid and prosperous financial future. Part 6. Investing without fear: practical tips for beginners. In this part of our investment guide, we will explore how to start investing fearlessly and safely, even for those who are taking their first steps into the world of finance. The idea of risking your own money can be scary at first, but with some practical guidance and simple strategies, it is possible to minimize the risks and reap good results. To begin, we recommend that you define your investor profile, analyzing your willingness to take risks and your financial objectives. Then seek knowledge about the different types of investments available on the market, and choose those aligned with your goals and expectations. An important tip is to start with small amounts, especially if you are feeling insecure, and gradually increase them as you feel more comfortable. Furthermore, being aware of market trends and seeking guidance from experts can be valuable strategies for those just starting out. Always remember, fear is natural when it comes to money, but with information and practice, it can be overcome. Be open to learning from mistakes and successes throughout your journey as an investor, as they are what will help you evolve and achieve your financial goals. Part 7. From scratch to financial success: building the foundations of your wealth. In this part of our investing guide, we will explore how to build a solid foundation towards financial success through your investments. It is critical to understand that every investment decision you make has the potential to significantly impact your long-term financial journey. Therefore, we will discuss the importance of establishing clear and realistic goals, as well as creating a consistent action plan to achieve them. Furthermore, we will address the relevance of periodically evaluating your investment portfolio, adjusting it according to changes in the market and your personal goals. Diversifying your investments and staying informed about economic trends are also essential strategies to ensure healthy growth in your assets. At the end of this stage, you will be more prepared to take the path from scratch to financial success, building a solid foundation to guarantee your financial independence in the future. Part 8. Smart investments for beginners: strategies for a promising start in the financial world. When it comes to investing, it's critical to adopt smart approaches from the start. In this section, we'll explore tips and strategies that can help beginners make more informed decisions and ensure a solid path to financial success. One of the key strategies is to understand your investor profile and align your investment choices with your goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, we will address the importance of diversifying your portfolio, distributing your investments across different assets to reduce exposure to specific market risks. We will also discuss how to analyze economic indicators and invest based on solid fundamentals, looking for promising companies and growing sectors. Finally, we will highlight the importance of staying up to date with market trends and adjusting your strategy according to economic changes. With these valuable tips, you will be better prepared to build a solid foundation of smart investments and begin your journey in the financial world with confidence. Part 9. Build a solid investment portfolio in 5 simple and effective steps. In this step, we will dive into the process of building a solid investment portfolio, capable of combining different assets and strategies to maximize your returns and minimize risk. The first step is to clearly define your financial objectives and the deadline for achieving them. With well-established goals, you will be able to choose the most suitable assets to make up your portfolio. Next, it is essential to evaluate your investor profile. understanding your risk tolerance and personal preferences. With this analysis in hand, you will be more prepared for the next step: diversifying your investment. Diversification is the key to reducing your portfolio risk without compromising returns. By distributing your resources across different asset types, sectors, and geographies, you protect yourself against possible significant losses on a single investment. After putting together a diversified portfolio, the next step is to regularly monitor and adjust your investments according to changes in the market or your financial goals. Reviewing your asset allocation periodically can ensure your portfolio remains aligned with your long-term goals. Finally, remember the importance of ongoing investment education. Always being up to date with market trends and new opportunities can enhance your results and promote sustainable growth in your assets over time. Part 10. Investing is for everyone. Find out how to take the first step towards financial independence. Many people have the desire to invest, but due to lack of information or believing that it is something restricted to a few, they end up not starting this journey. The objective of this part is to show that, in reality, investing is for everyone and can be the way to achieve your financial dream. The first step is to understand that there is no minimum amount to start investing, but rather the desire to plan and take the first steps. By defining your financial goals and investor profile, you will be able to choose the best investment options for your specific case. Furthermore, seeking knowledge and guidance from professionals in the field can be crucial to making informed and safe decisions. Remember, no matter your age, income, or academic background, investing is within the reach of everyone who is willing to learn and dedicate themselves to personal financial growth. With information, planning, and discipline, you will be able to follow the path towards financial independence and achieve your long-term goals. Did you like these tips? Subscribe to the channel to receive more exclusive content about finance and investments. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with us, leave your comment below. Always remember, knowledge is the key to success in investments. Until the next video.